Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable dark mode in CapCut. If you prefer a darker interface that can feel easier on the eyes, especially during longer editing sessions, CapCut gives you a simple way to switch themes. In this walkthrough, we'll quickly go from the main projects page to turning on dark mode in just a few clicks. To begin, open CapCut and go to the My Projects area. This is the main workspace where you can access your current and previous editing projects. Starting here makes it easy to locate your account settings, since the theme option is tied to your profile menu rather than the editing timeline itself. Once you're on the My Projects page, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu, where CapCut places several personal and interface-related options. If you don't immediately see the icon, give the top navigation area a quick look, since it's usually positioned clearly near the upper edge of the page. After opening the profile menu, hover your mouse over the theme option. Hovering is important here because it reveals the available display choices. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, the menu may appear slightly differently, but the theme option should still be visible within the account dropdown. When the theme choices appear, click on Dark. As soon as you select it, CapCut will switch from the default lighter appearance to a dark-themed interface. This change is usually applied right away, so you should see the background, panels, and surrounding workspace update instantly. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to refresh visually. In most cases, the dark mode setting is saved automatically, so you won't need to repeat the process the next time you open CapCut. This can be especially helpful if you work at night, edit for long periods, or simply prefer a cleaner, higher contrast look. And that's all it takes to enable dark mode in CapCut. It's a very quick customization, but it can make your editing environment feel much more comfortable and visually consistent. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you personalize your CapCut workspace with ease.